We're going to set up a schedule to do an automatic or a scheduled run of Ccleaner. Since I'm using the free version of Ccleaner, the scheduler within Ccleaner doesn't work. So we're going to use the task scheduler in Windows to make that possible, and this is how it works. The easiest way to get to the task scheduler is through the search function. Just simply type task and you see it pops up, task scheduler. Click on it. Once it opens, you want to select task scheduler library. From here, select create a basic task. In the name field, enter something meaningful like Ccleaner weekly scan. Hit the next button, select weekly. Next, select your start time, and we'll do this every Saturday. And the time we want it to start on, let's pick a nice time like 7 a.m. Recur every single week. So we've now set it up. First will be tomorrow. It'll start at 7 a.m. and it'll repeat every week on Saturday. Select next. Under the action, you want to start a program. Next, select the program, click on Browse. In my case, Ccleaner is on the desktop under the Utilities folder, and then it's in Ccleaner 576 and Ccleaner EXE. In the Add Argument option, you want to add / and type auto, AUTO. Once that's done, click Next. Select Open the Properties dialog for this task when I click Finish, and then click on Finish. When this opens, you want to select Run with Highest Privileges, and then select OK. Now, if you go back and you look at your listing, you'll see that Ccleaner Weekly Scan has now been set up. That's all it takes to bypass the restriction in effect if you're using the free version, so you still get to do your weekly cleaning or your scheduled cleaning even though you're using the free version. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.